Meeting a valuable sales prospect for the first time? Make sure you're well prepared. Have your sales pitch ready and don't forget the collateral. Product catalogs, brochures, case studies, and your sales proposal. Does it have to be like this? Let's rewind. Go into that meeting with confidence and all of your collateral in one place. Use FlippingBook's app on your phone or tablet to show the lead what they actually want to see. Build a connection, not a paper stack. You can send your sales proposal to your prospect right from the app. Learn when they open it and track which pages hit that sweet spot. Follow up with the right knowledge at hand and close that deal. Yes, sales can be that easy. Keep trackable sales collateral at your fingertips with FlippingBook's app for sales teams. Get it in a store of your choice today.